Hi and welcome back to my channel. Now the holidays can be very stressful and I want to share with you the herbs that I use to help give me calm, not only during the holidays but when I really need to draw on these herbs. So today let's talk about the herbs that I use that are excellent for easing tension and bring calmness. Now we'll focus on St. John's wort, which I've got right here, the organic herb, and organic vervain. Now these make a really great combination because St. John's wort is known for uplifting mood and reducing mild anxiety, and it's been studied, and vervain helps calm the nervous system, nervous tension, and it promotes mental clarity. And I really particularly love this herb, which I'll use anytime, any day, and it's a great replacement for coffee if you want that mental pick-me-up. So these are the herbs that I use, and to make a calming tea, all you need to do is steep 1 teaspoon of St. John's wort and 1 teaspoon of vervain in 500 ml of hot water for about 10 minutes, strain and drink. And drink it in the evening, which is what I do to unwind after a busy day, which is why I really love these herbs, because they really help to support you. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, you're tired, your mental focus is flagging, and you really feel like you need something to help you unwind, these two herbs have been fundamental in terms of helping me to be able to get that relaxation. Now, if you want to source these organic herbs, you can get them at 50% off at naturalworkshops.com. So take advantage of that opportunity to stock up on your organic and well-crafted herbs. And if you're interested in natural solutions for your well-being, well, why not join our Telegram group? It's a great group for health seekers, and we have discussions there, share remedies, and have a community of like-minded people that come together that are serious about maintaining good health or looking at how to get started on really caring for your well-being. I'll put the links to naturalworkshop.com for the herbs and the link for the Telegram group below. So thank you so much for joining me. And if you felt this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do share the content on this channel that can help others, including this video. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. So these herbs are a gentle way to maintain balance this season. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So stay healthy, be happy, and always be wise.